Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I appreciate you. New viewers, subscribe so you get these awesome recipes like this one, which is going to be a popcorn, but we're going to do a cocoa popcorn. So half a cup, 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil or canola oil or whatever. Medium heat for the instructions, and we'll cover this up and we'll wait till this pops. We'll be back when this is all popped. All right, you can see that we've gotten our popcorn popped up, and again, I was just following the instructions. This is Orville Redenbacher. You can use microwave popcorn if you so want. All right, in my bowl to make this into a cocoa popcorn, it is cocoa powder and granulated sugar. Both are 3 tablespoons, and then I also have some melted butter over there, which is also 3 tablespoons. But first, we're going to mix these up together so we get a nice combined cocoa sugar. Okay, set that aside. Taking our melted butter over the popcorn. Yeah, man. We're just gonna pour this out on. That looks good. And then we're just gonna toss it up a little bit. Same thing on the other side. That's all there is to that. Now that we've got something to hold our cocoa powder, we're just going to sprinkle it on. It's about half of it in. And all we're doing is just trying to get a little bit of cocoa on every kernel so that we have our cocoa popcorn. Pretty easy. That's all of it. And again, we'll just mix this up. There you go, guys. Easy as it can get. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell so you get those alerts. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.